Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus Iskandar Zaidi. I'm from RY11, matric number 1A1331818. Okay, today I would like to do a reading review about my books titled I Remember by L. Lewis. It been published in 15 April 2011. Okay, the summary of this book is about a person helping another person without knowing their background and looking for their title. The issue is to discuss about the moral value in this book, and the conclusion could do the same. The conclusion that we could do the same in future if we had in that situation. Okay. Here are some examples of issues that I found in the book. There are three situations that is found an abandoned person between a trash can, then he bring him to dinner and also celebrate Christmas in the church. Okay, first of all, I want to elaborate about the first issue. Okay, first is found an abandoned person between two trash cans. When he came up from the store that he just buy some things for Christmas because he do his late shopping. He heard something between the two trash cans. So when he walked to the trash can, he found an abandoned person. Then actually when I read the novel said that the person between the trash can was in poorly condition. Okay, the issue is even if I was a healthy person, I just give him money to make sure that he could buy his food, and then I will report to the authorities. So the authority will do they are responsible to take care of this type of person that been abandoned between the two trash can. Even I was pity for him, but actually I can't do anything because I am afraid that it will be harm for me because he might attack me because to get some money from me. Even it sounds like I'm a selfish man, but actually I had nothing to defend myself. So I will keep my distance, give my money, then walk away. But actually it is for me it is a quite good thing to do, even you have no time to make sure he is good, but actually you save a person life if the person suffer for searching for food. Okay, but actually it is depend on situation because if I was working with my friends, so it might be easier for me to help, easier for us to help him because we got plenty people, so we easier to let him to bring him for dinner for eat at the restaurant or whatever. Okay, but actually in the novel, the person that came up from the stall that saw the abandoned and homeless person, he just bring him for dinner. Okay, this is the next issue, bring him to dinner. It shows a very kind moral that even he doesn't know the person, not recognize the person, not knowing the person, but he still bring him for dinner because of his empathy. It is the authority responsibility to make sure this type of person get their personal basic needs, because authorities might need to make sure there's no type of person like this in this era. Okay, the last issue is celebrate Christmas with the abandoned person in the church. Okay, after the man bring the homeless person to the dinner for dinner, actually it is in the Christmas night, so he bring the abandoned homeless person to church to celebrate together in the church. Instead of report to authorities, he just bring that homeless guy to church just to make sure that he get to celebrate Christmas with joy. On the other hand, to make sure that he get a place for sleep for that night, because he is a homeless person, so the person make sure that the homeless person get a shelter for that night. Okay, but something special happened. It is that homeless guy dies happily with tears in his eyes to show that he feels so grateful and happy, because even in that situation, he still had opportunity to celebrate Christmas with joy. The abandoned person just lie on the young man's shoulder and close his eyes. The man think that the homeless person sleep on his shoulder, but actually he passed away with tears in his eyes. It is quite sad, because the person dies, but actually it is quite happy because the person dies in peacefully. If I was the person that happy, I will feel so thankful and grateful because I had the opportunity to help him, to help them. Actually, for me, I think that it is a good thing to do, the good and the right thing to do to this type of person, because actually they have their own right to happy. Okay, lastly, I would suggest this book for Form 3 student, because even it is had plenty pages, but actually they are full of moral values can be taught by teacher to their students. The Minister of Education could make this book as their literature. So even when the students learning literature in classroom, but actually the book will show the students about the great moral value in English while they're learning English. Okay, that's all for me for reading review of my book. Thank you.